And welcome to another episode of Girl, You Always Sewing Something. Today, I am excited to share with you my pattern haul. So, Joann's currently has patterns on sale for $1.99 for the holiday. It is the 4th of July weekend, and they will be having this sale, I believe, until probably July the 5th. So you have some time, hit up your local Joann's and grab some of these patterns. Also, I want to let you guys know Lachey Designs is now offering membership classes. Yay! So if you go to my website and you click on membership, you will be able to sign up for classes and be able to sew in the privacy of your own home. At the end of this tutorial, I'll walk you through my website and all the things that are be coming up so we can learn how to sew. I will be offering beginner, intermediate, and advanced classes, but I will talk about that at the end of the pattern haul. So the first haul that we have here is a simplicity pattern. It's 8560. I think this is a great pattern for workout, and also I think I'm going to use this bra top at the top for swimwear. I think that'd be super cute, super cool to be able to have this bra top as a pair of swimwear because I love the way it's cut and I love the design. And it says every cup size for every band size. So it has like a gazillion, I just made that word up, sizes on this one right here. So that's definitely a good grabber. The next one on the list is our butterick pattern, and that's 6738. When I see this jacket, it reminds me of a Chanel jacket. It reminds me of old wealth and old money. So I had to grab it. I've been seeing jackets like this in the Chanel category forever. I'm sure we can find vintage jackets in the 70s and 80s with this style. So I am going for that tweed look fabric with that you know how you can wear a little brooch on the side of it, and it gives you that I am wealthy, I am rich, I have arrived type of atmosphere when you step into the room. So I believe I will be making a video on this if it's not already made. I try to make sure that I make videos that are not made so we can have authentic products here at LacheyDesigns.com. All righty, let's go to the next one. I thought this one was so cute. The reason why I chose this pattern, Butterick 7001, is because of the cami. I love the cami. The pants look like they're nice and sleek, and I also like that duster. Um, I would probably alter the duster a little bit, but I do like the cami, and I got it for the cami. And who doesn't like all those beautiful pastel colors in this cami? Okay, where I'm at right now, it is summertime. And McCall's has this really cute bikini line, 8329. It has been challenging to find bikinis in the pattern department. I think it was like two bikinis. I have a retro bikini and this one. So that is something that we can probably sew up. They have a bikini and they also have this cute little sexy bathing suits. I'm not really a bathing suit wearer. However, I'm going to make it and get swimwear from a bikini and bathing suit because who doesn't need more swimwear? The next one is the infamous wrap dress. Now, this wrap dress is cute. It looks like it's straight to the point. It has some pleats on the side, has that V neckline, not too much showing, but you can probably take any kind of stretch knit fabric and wear this for everyday wear, for church, for work, or if you're going out on a date night and you just want to look extra cute, lunch date, brunch date. Who doesn't like a good wrap dress? Okay. I will be sharing with you my wrap dress that I've created from LacheyDesigns.com. And it has all the bells and whistles that most wrap dresses don't have. Well, mine is a maxi dress, not a wrap dress. This is more of a wrap dress. So we'll talk about that later. But this is Butterick 6054. This is an oldie but goodie pattern. I love the flared out bell bottom pants on this one. I love a good jumpsuit until it's time to go to the bathroom, and then I don't like the jumpsuit anymore. So with that one, this one right here, the Butterick 6130, I love that blue. So I'm going to try to see if my vendor actually has some of that blue fabric. I would love to make this in blue and maybe some nice bright colors, opposed to just having it in a black. So this should be really cute and fun and easy to make. Next one. It is something about that stand-up collar that I love for this Butterick 6602. I am going to make this probably a part of my membership class for this pattern right here. We look like we have some bias binding in the front and that nice broadcloth fabric. That fabric is giving me rich, royalty, wealthy. I have arrived vibes. Red is my favorite color, so that red and that gold, I had to have it. So this will probably be a part of my membership class, and I will be doing a sewing tutorial on this so you can create your own rich, luxurious pattern as well. And I also will be selling some fabric to match it. I tried to get some fabric from my vendor. They didn't have any broadcloth then, but I have more than one vendor. So you can also check out my website to get some fabric as well before we start these sewing projects. The next one. Who doesn't love a good Mimi G pattern? I love the fact that she is bringing out so many designers, opening up so many opportunities for men and women of that are creative. So this Nomi pattern is going to be really cute. It looks like it's made from like a denim. I bought some denim. I have some denim fabric. I got some denim fabric from my vendor. So I think I'm going to make this in a denim or maybe like a cameo print. This should be really, really cute to make. Very loose, very comfortable, more so probably like a fall weather for the denim that I'll be using. Next one, we have this beautiful pattern for a mother and daughter. Who doesn't like a good mother and daughter pattern? I think we all need trench coats. I think if we wear dresses and wear heels, we need a trench coat if you're a man and you have like slacks and you dress business attire. We all need a trench coat. So why not buy this trench coat pattern and sew along with the video tutorial to help you complete the trench coat? I have made coats from her before and it fit, came out perfect. Very nice coat. So I cannot wait to make this trench coat. Now we can't forget about our men. No, 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 no. So our next pattern, this one will be for my hubby, and I'm going to make him probably all three of these um shirts, long sleeve shirt, short sleeve, and then we have like a color contrast. I like D. I think it's so mature and so sophisticated with the little zipper. I don't know. I just love it. Maybe because it's in red and that's my favorite color. But with a nice pair of khakis, it's just like a nice polo pullover and go. You cannot go wrong with that. So I will probably do a sewing tutorial on this so you can make one for your loved one, whether it's your husband, brother, family, friend, whomever. Everyone needs a nice shirt and it will make a nice gift. Yes. We can't forget about the men. The next pattern I have, I do not have a picture for it. This is an oldie but goodie. I believe I already had this in my stash. I'm almost sure I do. But sometimes when you're getting those patterns for $1.99, I'm like, I'd rather just spend $1.99 and know for certain I have it than not. So this is Butterick 6718. I've had my eye on this pattern for a long time. I'm sure I already have it. I like the crop pants. I like a good camisole tank top, and I love a good peplum blazer. I actually love the fabric choice that they use with the pop of pink. I think it's amazing. Not too wild about the skirt or the dress. Probably will not make that at all, but I love a good pair of trousers. So that is that one. Next one on the list. This is a classic. I believe I had this in my stash, but I did not want to make the mistake of not having it. I have been looking, and as a matter of fact, I think I'm 1,000% sure now as I'm talking that I have it in my stash. I've been wanting to make this dress, don't judge me, for at least 5 years now. I know, I know, I know, I know. 5 years or more, I have been wanting to make this dress. So this dress is going to go to the top of my list because she needs to be made. I love that blue. I love the green. It would probably be even beautiful in a black. I went out and got some satin fabric because this is giving me rich royalty, coming to a wedding, going to a reception, take me somewhere nice and classy with a pair of heels. So I have some fabric, some silk or satin. I think I have satin fabric already for this project. I bought 6 yards of fabric because just in case I will have extra because I want to flow everywhere I go when I wear this dress. Yes, yes, and yes. Grab you one. The last pattern we have is the simplicity pattern. I wasn't too sure about it, but I decided to get it anyway because I have never made a corset before. And I'm like, who wouldn't want a nice corset under a banging blazer, a pair of denim, a pair of crop trousers. So I decided to go ahead and get it. I wasn't sure if I want to do all the boning. I haven't read the instructions. I'm just looking at the pictures, the boning and everything else. But I said it looks pretty simple, like a little sweetheart top at the top part of it, kind of boning. I'm like, when I think of boning, I think about it being uncomfortable against my skin. But I said, hey, we'll try it and see what happens. See if we like it or don't. But I do like the tank top. I like the peplum. So this will probably be a part of my membership course as well for LacheyDesigns.com. So now let me get into what we are offering at LacheyDesigns.com.